I've easily made thousands of dollars year after year with this easy method, and you could too. And we're going to be talking about bank churning. Bank churning is the process of opening bank accounts for sign-on bonuses, and you would repeat the process over and over again year after year to increase your income. Bank churning is an easy way to earn some income with little to no effort. But is bank churning worth your time? That's what we're here to find out. So let me show you how much I made in 2020. But before we get started, I want to point out that this is for the United States only. I can't tell you how this applies to other countries. And I also highly recommend you read my full article on bank churning. There are some downsides and nuances, and most importantly, the risks of bank churning. If you're not careful with this money, it could really backfire on you. And I'll leave all the details under the like and subscribe button. So these are the bank accounts that I've opened in 2020, and I've already completed most of the requirements to get the bonus, so I've closed the majority of them already. And you can see that it's just some basic information requirements from what bank, what type of accounts, the bank bonuses, and the requirements needed to get the bonus. And obviously, there's more to it than that, but it gives you an idea of what I needed to go through throughout the year to make that money. So if we total up all the bonuses, I would have made $2,850. And I would say this is an average year for me. Some years I would make way more, and some years I make a little bit less depending on what's available in my area. And I usually put this money back into my business, like using it for promoting my business with ads, or use it for, business expenses like web hosting services and such, which you can find tutorials and guides on my channel on both these topics if you're interested in that. But imagine what you can do with that money. You can use it for, an emergency fund, or put down payment on a new car. You can use it to travel all over the world, or whatever your heart desires, year after year. But if you're interested in how you can use that money to make even more money, then do me a favor, like this video and leave a comment below. And if I get enough people that are interested in it, then I'll make a video to show you how. And yes, this is considered a tax event that you have to claim every year that you churn. Reality is, after taxes, that $2,850 that I earned from bonuses isn't really what I'm left with. On average, my taxes are around 30%, and yours may vary depending on your tax situation. So if I take 30% off of my taxes, I'm left with, give or take, $2,000. And as a disclosure, this is not financial or tax advice. If you have any concerns regarding your finances or taxes, please reach out to an expert on the subject matter. This article is for entertainment purposes only. Anyway, to put this into perspective, I spent a total of 18 hours to open all the accounts to net me $2,000. Doesn't that mean I've earned $111 per hour? Well, we're talking about after taxes, mind you, so hypothetically speaking, in work hour terms, it's more like getting paid $158 per hour. And I don't know about you guys, but that's a nice chunk of change for only 18 hours work for the entire year. And obviously, I've gotten a lot faster at churning since I've been doing it for a while, so it might take you a bit longer when you first start out, but once you get used to it, it's easy money. Between me and my wife, we've made thousands every year. And yes, more than one person in the household can open an account with the same bank. Just be careful that some banks will only allow one sign-on bonus per household. And I showed a colleague of mine about bank churning, and he was able to earn double my amount. And between him and his wife, they were able to earn
9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
The first year you do bank churning is usually going to be your best year since you'll be able to take advantage of every bonus that's available to you. And bonuses get a little bit harder to find after that first year, but I find it to fluctuate every other year. But do yourself a favor and check out my article that outlines the complete details that you need to consider before starting. You also find out where you can go to find the bank churning bonuses as well. And once again, this is just an intro, so if you guys are interested in a live walkthrough on how I budget, find, and choose the bank for bonuses, then hit that like button. And if you want more of this type of content, then subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.